Hi, welcome and thank you for visiting my YouTube channel, Dr Raz, the Baking Chemist. I have been a chemistry teacher for 16 years in a secondary school as well as a post-16 college. This channel is where you will find chemistry question walkthroughs where I intend to lead you step by step in answering chemistry questions, usually exam questions and usually A-level. This channel is an idea of the coronavirus lockdown era where some of my students had asked me to explain to them online how to answer questions. There are many excellent chemistry websites and YouTube channels where you can visit for the explanation of the chemistry content, but this channel is where you'll find walkthroughs. As a practicing teacher myself, I know it is very easy for us, the teachers, to be able to go through questions and start jotting down answers, automatically making links with our previous information in our heads. But to be able to explain our thinking process, what is going on in our heads in between us writing things on the paper is what often gets missed or we as teachers fail to explain. So on this channel, not only will I be doing the questions step by step, but my main aim will also be to explain what I am thinking about in between each step. Please remember, due to the nature of what I'm trying to do, I will not be adhering to the time requirements of individual questions, which of course you as students will need to focus on during your exams, so you can finish the paper in time. But rest assured, once you have understood the thinking behind answering questions and different types of questions, and you have followed this up with plenty of exam style questions, your timing will automatically get better and better as your understanding improves. Finally, as any good lesson, I want to be able to reflect and improve this channel so you can get the most out of it. So please remember to give me a thumbs up if you find my videos useful and share the videos with others who may also find it useful. And also, let me know if there are any particular areas of topics of chemistry that you want a walkthrough on. There might be different topics, there might be different areas. Do you want more walkthroughs on organic, on physical, or on inorganic? And of course, please leave a brief comment on how I may improve in the future. That'll help me, and eventually it'll help you as well. If you do find my videos useful, please also remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you can get notified when my new walkthroughs are published. Oh, and some of you may be wondering why the Baking Chemist? Well, I can go through all sorts of deep reasons, like baking is just another form of chemistry, or baking is chemistry you can eat, or just like baking, I'll be showing you recipes of answering exam questions, and so on. But while all this might be true, the reason isn't as deep as you may think. Baking is simply my other hobby, for which you can see more by following my Instagram here. And yes, I do consider chemistry to be my hobby, a hobby that I've been deeply involved in for the best part of 30 years. I hope you enjoy chemistry as much as I do. I wish you all the best. Thank you.